supposed to be the, harder for them to destroy the toys.
So we're going to see what we've got in our new subscription. We had a subscription before. You might have seen our old video. We had a BarkBox subscription, but it was not the Super Chewer box. Now they've got a Super Chewer option for dogs that chew up toys, and we know Presley, as you may have seen on previous videos, can kill a squeaker in a minute. So we're going to see what we got here. The dogs are sleeping or outside. We're not going to give them to them just yet. I'll show that in a bit. But we're doing a little bit of unboxing here on what's in the Welcome to the Super Chewer box.
This is the a Yeti water bowl, which I thought would be great.
Like the Yeti cooler?
Yeah.
Yeti brand? Look at that.
So I figured this will be good for their water dish outside.
Oh, nice.
Put on the front porch.
Water dish where?
Outside on the front porch.
Okay.
So when we're gone, they have built for the wild sticker. So anyway, that was the welcome gift, like the bark box.
Like we got the
was
paddleboard or the doggy floaty.
Yeah.
But this time it's a dog water bowl, huh? A Yeti water bowl.
Super Chewer.
So that's a special sign-up gift.
It's cute.
And then this is the Super Chewer box. Is it two like it was last time?
Two
toys,
toys,
two
two treats.
And one special treat or something like that?
I don't remember.
We're about to find out.
Yeah. Ready? You can see it before me. Ta-da! Oh, it's the ski one. Look at the
Oh, it's a ski
gondola.
lift?
Yeah.
Do they squeak?
And look, the goggles.
Oh, she won't be able to chew that. Oh, these
These
truly
are
are
heavy
Super
duty.
Chewer.
This, feel how
They
heavy
don't have
that is.
squeakers in them though. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying.
It's got a.
Presley will not be able to tear those up, I don't believe.
Nice. Okay, so we've got
So it's themed Mutt Mountain.
ski.
It says Mutt Mountain Slopes on the inside
Yeah,
there.
skiing.
Yeah,
No.
cool.
So we've got jerky bars, duck recipe, and jerky sticks turkey. And then Lucky Chew sticks. I don't have my glasses on to read this. What's that one?
Lucky
say?
Chew Sticks.
What flavor?
Saveur de Canard.
Oh,
Oh, that means duck flavor.
okay.
For
And then-
large dogs over 50 pounds or pour les grosses
Yeah, you can choose the
de
size.
plus de 50 pounds.
You can choose you tell them the size of your dog.
Oh, yeah?
And I did grain free because of Priscilla.
Grain free and over 50 pounds.
Yes.
Because Presley's 51 pounds.
No, she's about 55 now.
Is she
She's a
now?
pretty big fatty.
Our 40-pound husky is now 50 pounds, 55 pounds,
Yeah.
and our 90-plus pound Great Dane is
can
still our 90-plus
struggle
pound
to get her to be
Great
100
Dane.
pounds.
Yeah, she
She
was
looks
right about
sick.
100 once, but she.
Look at how filthy she is.
I know.
She's got
This is a
zebra
country
strip.
dog. She's been digging around in the fire pit. She's got little dark. It almost looks like it's part of her coat.
I know. So I said she looks kind of
You
zebra-ish.
filthy.
She's like, what?
All right, so we will tune in later when we actually give the dog some of these treats, our toys, but we're gonna go have a motorcycle ride.
Hopefully.